Guys, welcome back to Barbells and Burnouts. Today I'm going to do the video of me installing the coilovers onto the car, the coilover and wheels. I've had it on for a few, probably about a month now at this point. It's been riding really good, still have a few adjustments to make on the height and stuff. But other than that, it's looking pretty good. And yeah, so here's the video. All right, so here are the coilovers we have. We have the BC Racing coilovers. We're gonna end up putting these on the car first and then putting the wheels on after. We've got the wheels right over there. And Joe's gonna jack up the car over there as well. He's looking for the back strut spot. Look at that boy. Look at that boy. We got the back wheel off right here. It was a little hard. It seemed like it was a little bit rusted onto the hub, but it's all good. So yeah, it's off. It's right here. We got the other sets right here. About to go on. And yeah, we're probably going to, yes, do the coilovers first. The bolt for that can be found right here behind the lining. Here's the bolt. And we're probably just going to end up doing those first. But yeah. Well, while Joe is doing more of the strut work, I'm gonna just put the center caps right here on the wheels right quick. I've got them, where did I put them? They're right here. Right here, they're black center caps from Kansai as well, just to match the wheels. And I think they're gonna look great, so we'll put them on. All right, so we ran into a little problem taking the strut out. There is a bolt back here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a bolt basically behind the brake disc that's connecting to this part of the control arm, and there's a bolt that won't be able to come out because this control arm's in the way. So we're gonna try to figure out what to do with this right quick. So what we ended up doing is we're about to just unbolt this back half right here instead of going from the front end, because we found a way around right here. It still is getting stuck, but it's on an exhaust hanger, so we're about to just take that little bolt off. So then we're gonna have this bolt be able to go past there, like that. Or something. Or yeah, something like that. All right, we did in fact get it off right here, and it's hanging out. All right, so now we're unbolting this top bolt up here for the struts that we have on the other side of the car. But yeah. So we got the coilover situation set up. We got the BCs right here. They're probably hard to see in this lighting. Oh yeah, we'll put it right out here for you. But yeah, we got the BCs right here. We've got the old struts out right here, and we're about to just throw these in. We kind of messed with the spring rate, and that's about it. We didn't mess with the preload or any adjustment, just really the spring rate. But yeah, we're about to throw them in the cart. All right, so we did end up getting the coilovers in on the left side. We've got both struts out, stock struts. I think the previous owner has lowering springs on them because those don't look stock. And it definitely wasn't stock height. So on this side, we also got the other stock strut out, obviously, and we have the BC Racing coilover right here. We're about to have this go in now. All right, moment of truth. Putting these wheels on. You help?
No, I got it.
Right,
Starting to scratch them.
Yeah. Don't want to mess them up, you know what I'm saying?
You still got the plastic piece here.
Yeah, I'm about to take them off once both sides are on. Honestly, I might just wait till all the wheels are on to pull out the plastic. Oh shit, yeah, this shit, oh, it looks so good. It looks so good on the car. Can't wait for it to be on the ground too. Oh my gosh.
As long as that fits.
Yeah, nah, it's definitely gonna rub a little bit. It's definitely 100% gonna rub, but I'm about to just trying to get them pulled, so. Yeah, we got the wheels on. So yeah, no, I'm definitely gonna have some rubbing issues. Like you can tell, like it's not really, it doesn't line up. So I think once it's on the ground, we'll be able to tell better, but right now I'm definitely guessing that there's gonna be some rubbing issues. So the wheels are on the car in the back and they look really good. I do have a lot of clearance here. I want to end up lowering those coils a little more. We didn't mess with them, they're still stock because we didn't really know what to do. But yeah, so we have this this wheel gap here, but I'm gonna try to get them adjusted to try to get them down towards the tire. But I am in fact gonna have to either roll or pull my fenders or get lower control arms so that the wheels fit well and flush. All right, so the back wheels are on the car and they look good as fuck. We're about to get started on the front, and once that's done, I'll show you guys. And if there's anything that comes up, I'll also show you guys. So the process in the front is a little different for these coilovers. We have to get rid of these two bolts right here to undo the strut tower, and then we have to get rid of it, or not get rid of, but relocate this ABS line, and then undo the 3 top bolts right here for the top hat. And once that's done, then we should be able to just put this in and should work. I can get it adjusted to literally tomorrow or do it myself. I don't even know. I'll figure it out. All right, so we unbolted some of the bolts down here. You can't see them, it's dark as fuck. But yeah, we unbolted those, and now we're going up here to the top hat to get them on. All right, so we ended up getting the BC suspension in on the top, and here at the bottom, it's all good. As you guys can see, the camera battery's running a little low, so it's gonna be short updates from now on, but you know, let's get her done. All right, so it's a little later and we ran into a few issues, but we're getting this last strut tower on up in here, and once that's on, we're gonna throw the 2 front wheels on. After those front wheels go on, it should be good to go, and we'll take it for a drive. All right, so we did end up getting all 4 wheels on the car, and we're about to drop it down and see how it looks. All right, we do have all the wheels in the car, and it's on the ground now. This is how the fitment looks here in the back. Got a long way to go, but it's all good. I'm about to go get the coilovers adjusted either tomorrow or sometime soon, but I'm definitely getting an alignment tomorrow. So, but yeah, the fitment check, it's kind of mid, but you know, we'll get it better. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for tuning into Barbells and Burnouts today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you'll see me on the channel a little bit more. Got a few more parts coming in for the Subi soon. But yeah, thank you guys again for watching. Have a great day.